Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. And just like that, we are back. The sun is shining. We are going to have a heat stroke today. It's going to be 37 or 38 degrees. You have to hop in the Brabus, take the trailer and head over to BMW. Yeah, BMW. Woo. For a lot of people, this is going to look a little bit weird because, well, it's getting dark again and we're back. This is a little bit weird because you guys know I'm a KTM guy over there. You know, KTM. I'm a KTM guy and suddenly I'm picking up BMWs. Oh. Oh. Shit. Wow. Now, a lot of you guys might be thinking like, what is he onto? Smokey, is he onto drugs? A lot of comments have been telling me that, yeah, a BMW GS is better as my KTM 1290 Super Adventure R. Yeah. So yeah, at this point I am also becoming a BMW media partner. So I will be picking up some more BMWs. Yeah. So starting off with the BMW GS Adventure, and later on we're going to be picking up the BMW S1000R. That's just in a couple of weeks, so not yet now. Anyway, so yeah, we are driving to the beautiful city of Brussels. Where we got the biggest set of balls. Yeah, they're steel balls. You can get inside the steel balls. Yeah, it's weird, I know. So driving to Brussels, picking up a brand new BMW GS Adventure, and we're gonna try it out. We're gonna do some single tracks, we're gonna do some hill climbs, we're gonna do... I hope they got some greasy knobby tires on it. If not, still gonna do some hill climbs and... but just see what happens. Anyway, so yeah, it is my first BMW motorcycle that I am picking up from BMW, so I might have to be a little bit careful. Can't go all out as I did with the Super Adventure R from KTM. That I crashed first day or something like that. We got the cochet folding lowering trailer picked on, and yeah, let's head over to Brussels. For some reason I always forget I have a trailer behind me. Now I know that you guys kill pigs for a living, and I understand because I really like my bacon as well. But why the hell would you put a really scared pig on the back of your truck? I mean, make some like happy pigs or something? That pig is scared as hell. Yeah, it just jumped on 34 degrees. Now some of my American friends are probably saying like, holy crap dude, we have no idea what that is because we work in Fahrenheit and not degrees. I get a feeling I'm getting close. Yep, that's a BMW GS. Cool. Ooh. Turns out I'm at the wrong place at the wrong time. I'm at the cars. I have to be at motorcycles. Yeah, this might be better. And just like that, we got ourselves a BMW GS.
Fresh on the scene, back out 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 fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team, 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 back out fresh on the scene.
Now let's get this puppy locked and loaded and head home. I really gotta test this thing. Oh boy. I'm not gonna lie, that first part, getting a brand new bicycle from a brand new media partner on a motorcycle, that's another one. Yeah, that's always a little bit nerve-wracking, but we got it on. This trailer works absolutely perfect, fun as hell. Let's get some more straps on and get it home. I don't wish a lot of things in my life. I don't wish to like win the lottery, whatever. Money is not really that important, but I only wish one thing, that is getting this bike home without falling off the trailer. Yeah, I'm pretty scared, can you tell? Trust the system, Smokey. Trust the cochet and trust those new tie wraps. Yeah, I have to pick up my camera all the time, I know. Yeah, my kid is swimming in the background. I got pretty lucky. As you can tell, I am breaking a sweat. It is kind of stressy and it is ridiculously hot outside. But we do have, we do have the R1250 triple black version Adventure GS at home. Next to the KTM, next to its rival. Pretty sure they're gonna fight tonight when I'm going to bed. Really want to watch that. Anyway, first thing I was going to look at is like this frame down here. There's like a suspension in there, and there's a lot to discover about this bike. I've only taken it for a short ride around my lawn, and it's comfy. It's really comfy, I can already tell you that. But there is much more things we need to test out. So yeah, I am a BMW GS Virgin, so it's going to be my first time ever driving one of these, riding one of these. And yeah, if you look to the left, look to the right, you always see a BMW GS. So I was like, I gotta try this one out. So yeah, in the next 7 days, I can keep it for 7 days from BMW to have a decent drive with it. Maybe I do a really long tour with it. Not really sure. We got some kind of off-road adventure tires, which is gonna be great because we are going to do some off-road with it. Hope I don't crash it. Anyway, it's gonna be fun. So we got it home, we got it into the garage. It's really hot, so I'm going to jump in the pool, have some fun with the kid. Tomorrow it's going to be raining. Maybe I'm gonna make a raining video. Who knows? Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Really hope you liked it, enjoyed it. We're going to have a great time together. I'm pretty sure of that. Anyway, see you guys in the next one. Peace, drive safe. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. See ya.